Welding aluminium with a basic MIG welder. The first thing we need to do is change the liner, the steel liner, for a plastic or Teflon liner. Straighten out the liner.
I've turned that down to 2. I'm just going to go down and post this letter back to them.
And you'll be on that now in YouTube. Do you like that? I'll cut it out, Gary.
I'm just going to post the letter back to them so they get it as quickly as possible, right? And I'm going to drop that book into the library, so I have my keys with me, okay? I'll turn it down to 2, right? It's doing grand, alright? So, do you hear that racket? Look, I'm trying to pick anything Jack's left in the bowl.
Oh yeah, I heard him, yeah. This is the steel liner. We're going to remove that now. Try to insert the plastic liner. This plastic liner is not even made for this machine. It's made for a Clark machine, but as long as it's a smaller diameter than a similar diameter to the steel liner or smaller, it will do the job. Try and get the lead as straight as you can. Make sure if you're using a spurious liner like I am here, and you're cutting it to length, make sure you cut it as close as you can to the rollers. You don't want to leave any room for the aluminium wire to buckle up. So get as close to those rollers as you can. See if I can bring that in a bit more. See here how close that is to the roller? Don't have it short there. If you have any kind of a gap here, the aluminium wire will buckle up. So get as tight as you can there. Now, that's the liner installed.